to Erplain. This short video will give you a quick overview of how Erplain can help you manage your B2B sales and inventory. Erplain was designed specifically for small businesses. It's super easy to use and very affordable. With Erplain, you can create sales orders to reserve products that have been sold but not yet fulfilled, giving you a real-time visibility of what is available for sale. Invite your customers to your B2B store. Optimize your purchasing with purchase orders. Track your inventory in multiple stock locations. Manage multiple price levels and price rules. Track batches and expiration dates for traceability. Create assemblies and kits for products with components or made from other products. Let me give you a quick tour. Let's create a sales order. First, let's select a customer. Its default information is filled out automatically, such as its price level, stock location, currency, account rep, and more. You can have multiple billing addresses or shipping addresses if needed. Your inventory will be updated in the selected stock location. Let's add a few products. The price will be automatically selected based on the customer price level. All the products included in this sales order have now been reserved and removed from your available inventory. From this sales order, you can create one or more shipping orders. This will update your on-hand inventory. Create your invoices. You can even create purchase orders to reorder products from your suppliers. Let's now have a look at your stock level. From here, you can track the on-hand, available, and incoming stock level. Clicking on the reserved quantity will list all the open sales orders that include this product. You can also see this information for each of your stock locations. What if you want to invite your B2B or wholesale customers to an online store for self-service ordering? With the B2B store from Erplain, you can do just that. Price levels and product selection can be personalized according to your customers. They can easily check product stock levels, place orders, and pay their invoices all in one place, 24/7. You can customize the look and feel of your B2B store with some branding elements like colors or banners. Now that you've sold some products, let's purchase more from your suppliers. You can create purchase orders from scratch simply by selecting the supplier and the products you need to reorder. You can also use your reorder points to purchase products that are below their preferred stock level. And finally, you can create purchase orders directly from your sales orders to optimize your inventory levels. Erplain also has other advanced features such as batches and expiration dates to enable the traceability of your products. You can also create different types of products, like assemblies, for products that are assembled from other products, or kits when you need to bundle products together. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.